On this week's boiler tip, we're going to look at a classic low water cutoff level control device known as the McDonnell-Miller 150. This is a two-stage switch consisting of two micro switches, one for burner limit and one for level control. So in normal operation with a normal level, the level will fluctuate and make and break the pump circuit to maintain the level in the boiler. But if the level continues to fall, we'll break the burner circuit so that we shut it down and don't allow the unit to continue running. This is the newest model of the McDonnell-Miller 150, which uses micro switches. One important thing to know about the micro switches is that the current rating is very limited on these. So in a lot of older installations, you might have mercury bulbs and they can handle a lot more current. In some cases with the older style, the mercury bulbs, pumps were driven directly off of the mercury contact because it was rated for a higher amperage. But it's important we don't do that. Also on the older unit, you may see that there are adjustment screws here. Those are not for field adjustment. Those are for calibration and setup at the factory. When included with a sight glass and tricox in this extended column, the numbers change to a 157. Same head, just has a different color.